Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about how to mate in 4. Yeah, it is possible. So it all goes with e4. So white first move e4 and then black responds the same with e5. Now the bishop will hop to bishop c4. And let us say if black responds with something like knight without blockading for the f7 pawn, then again white brings its queens to the f3 square. So now the target is fully on the bishop and the queen is fully targeting on the weak f7 pawn and thereby delivering a checkmate. So black tries to play something like this and try to threaten the queen. It's threatening the queen and also the fork. Knight takes c2 will ultimately give a check with the king and also the rook. But here comes the thunder. We can just play a in-between move, that is a surprising attack here. As I said, simply take the queen and deliver the checkmate. Yeah, so this is check and mate because parallelly the bishop is supporting the queen. Thank you.